Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to show you a new Easter kit designed by Decorate Your Life. You can check out her shop on Etsy. I will link that all down below in the comment section after the video is uploaded. You can also check out her channel on YouTube, which is Decorate Your Life. I will have all the links below in the comment section of this video. I greatly appreciate y'all being here. Your support is greatly appreciated. So now let's get to showing y'all the kit. Now, she also has it where it is now, she can print it for you on 60-pound cardstock. The whole paper collection minus if they have any add-ons, okay? You get 2 of each design. The paper pack is perfect for scrapbooks, mini albums, or your handmade greeting cards, and a lot more. Trust me, I know. Also, approximate size is 7 by 10. The designer collections are shipped in priority mail, flat rate, padded envelopes. Shipping costs are the UPS shipping costs. She does not add any surcharges at any time for gas or anything like that. I will link all the collections down below. And also in her shop, she also sells traveler's notebooks and much more. Okay, so let's get into this. Here's page number 1. Page number 2. Now, I haven't printed, I think it's 4 different ways. This is full page. We'll get into the next one. Here's this one. Now, this one is printed large and small. The same pattern, just printed a little bit bigger. Okay? That's how she designed it. Then we have this one. Whoops, I have it upside down. We have all of the ephemera. And she printed it, she made it all a white background to save on ink. We have this one. Now here we go. I printed it. This is 4 by 6. Okay. See how small it is? I wrote the size right here so I remember. These are all the same size until I get to the next page, and it's going to state something different. The next ones. Now here we go, 5 by 7. Okay, it's the same printable, y'all. The same exact printables. I just printed them in different sizes because my printer allows me to. Now this size is 3.5 by 5. Okay, so I mean I could use these for mats and everything. I mean I have a few projects coming up for this kit, and her other kit I also have a few projects coming up. So I want to say this in closing. Please be kind, be blessed, be crafty, be safe, be caring, be supportive, be positive, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.